Hello my dear students, this is Akash SD and welcome to the SG Physics classes. Hope so you all are doing really great. So student, in this video we are going to solve very fresh question of the JEE 2025 and the concept of this question is important for the NEET also, and this question belongs to which chapter anyhow? The mechanical properties of fluids and the concept of surface tension. Okay, so let's go to the question. Work done required to break a drop of radius r to 27 drops of equal radius is 10 joule. Then work done to break drop of radius r in 64 drops of equal radius is how much here? Very simple. When the drop is going to break into 27 drops, work done is 10 joule. Now when the same drop is going to break into how many drops here? 64 drops, then work done will be how much here? Okay students, so remember that here, first what I am going to do here, I am going to take here, let's take here, this initial radius I have taken r1. How much radius? Bigger drop is having how much radius? r1. And this smaller drop here, now this smaller drop is there, now let's take, I have taken radius how much? r2. Bigger drop r1, smaller drop r2. So students, if I talk about here the concept. So what is there? Whenever the drop is going to break, surface area will increase. In that situation, the work has to do, okay? And that work is given by here, W equal to, if in case liquid drop is there, one surface area outward. But if in case soap solution is there, how many? Three surfaces, two. One outward and one which one? Innerward, because inside the soap bubble also what is there? Air is there. But here, okay, question is liquid drop, so only one surface area, 1 into T, and here change in area. Again I am telling, liquid drop means 1, soap solution means 2, okay? Now next one, see, W equal to, what is there students? See, T into change in area, that means multiple drops, let's take n drops are there, not this will come here, n into 4 pi r2 square, no? For 27 drops and 27, for 64 drops and 64. So we are making general formula, n into 4 pi r2 square minus 4 pi r1 square. Okay, this is bigger drop and this is so many smaller drop. This formula we have to use it. After that students, here one more concept is that this is the concept one. Second one, when the bigger drop is going to break into the smaller drops, let's take here, see, if this bigger drop is there, na, radius how much I have taken here? Radius how much? See, r1 I have taken, going to break into multiple small drops. Each one is having how much radius? Each of radius r2. Now, each of radius r2. How many drops students? Again I am telling, n drops are there. So you know very well the amount of the matter, amount of the liquid will be same. Okay. So we need one formula for the radius. So here, tell me please here volume how much here? 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. And this side one drop is having how much volume? 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. 4 by 3 pi r2 cube into how many drops are there? N drops are there. Okay, that means 4 by 3 pi, both the sides cancel. That means what will come here? R1 cube is equal to R2 cube into N. What is there? R1 cube is equal to R2 cube into N. So now students here, if in case I will write here R2. So R2 will be how much here? R2 will be how much students? See, 1 by N to the power 1 by 3 into R1. I hope so you have understood very well R2 how much? 1 by N to the power 1 by 3 into R1. Okay, now students, this same concept, no, whatever we have learned, no, that we are going to use here. See, this work done is given by what here? T into N into 4 pi R2 how much here? This one here, make it square here. So it will come here, see, R1 square by N to the power 2 by 3 minus 4 pi R1 square. Okay, very easy. So students, W equal to how much here? We can write here, see, take common, T into 4 pi R1 square, and what this will become here? N by N to the power 2 by 3 minus 1, and here how much here? N power 1. This 2 by 3 will go up, that means from the exponent what will become? 1 minus 2 by 3 N to the power. That means we are just going to write here, what is this? So students here, this W equal to T into 4 pi R1 square, and here what will come here? N to the power 1 minus 2 by 3 and here minus 1. So students, we can write here this work done will come here what? T into 4 pi r square, because r1 was how much? This r1 we have taken r. Okay, great. So students, it will become here how much here? N to the power, how much here? 1 by 3 minus 1. Now, we have got this main formula. This is our formula. Now, according to question, what we can tell? According to question, what we can write here? W we have to calculate for which drop, students? See, we have to calculate for 64 drops is there, okay? So, W64 by W27, how much we can write here? When we'll take the ratio, this T into 4 pi r square will cancel out, because why? Because this W is directly proportional to N to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. This is the main formula, okay? This is the main thing. That means what we can write here, please? 64 power 1 by 3 minus 1, 27 power 1 by 3 minus 1. Then what this will come here? 64 power 1 by 3 is 4 cube. 3 will cancel. That means it will come here 4 minus 1. Here what will come here? 3 cube and power 1 by 3, so 3 minus 1. So students, hence we can write here W64 by W27. For this, how much it will come here? 4 minus 1, anyhow 3, and 3 minus 1, 2. Now students, here W64 according to the question, what they are telling here? This, how much here? X joule. How much is there? X joule. That means we can write here X. And W27, how much given in the question? Again, let's hear please here. They have given here how much is students? 10 joule. Okay. That means we can write here X by 10 is equal to 3 by 2. That means if I write here the X, what X will come here? 3 by 2 into 10. And very easily, what we are going to do here, students, here 2 5s are 10. That means it is coming how much here? 15 joule. Okay, students. So here, according to the question, the value of X is going to be how much here? 15 joule. Okay, students, keep studying, keep growing.